Ever feel like your business finances are a tangled mess of transactions? Do you squint at your bank statements, trying to decipher which expense belongs to which project or purpose? You're not alone. Many small business owners and freelancers struggle with keeping their financial house in order, especially when using powerful tools like Relay. But what if I told you there's a simple yet incredibly effective way to bring clarity and organization to your Relay account? Imagine opening your Relay dashboard and instantly knowing exactly where your money is going and why. No more guessing games, no more time wasted sifting through unlabeled transactions. This level of financial insight isn't just a pipe dream, it's easily achievable by mastering the art of customizing your Relay account labels and purposes. Think of your Relay account as a digital hub for your business finances. Just like you wouldn't throw all your important documents into one unmarked box, you shouldn't let your financial transactions remain unlabeled and ambiguous. Customizing your account labels and purposes is like creating a well-organized filing system for your money, allowing you to track income, expenses, and savings with laser-like precision. But why is this so important? Well, for starters, it saves you a ton of time. When tax season rolls around, or when you need to analyze your business performance, having clearly labeled transactions makes all the difference. Instead of spending hours trying to categorize everything, you'll have a clean, organized record ready to go. Beyond saving time, customized labels and purposes provide invaluable insights into your business. You can easily see how much you're spending on marketing, how much revenue each client is generating, or how much you've allocated to specific savings goals. This level of detail empowers you to make smarter financial decisions, identify areas for improvement, and ultimately drive your business forward. Furthermore, clear labeling reduces the risk of errors. When transactions are properly categorized, it's less likely you'll misclassify an expense or overlook an important payment. This accuracy is crucial for maintaining healthy cash flow and making informed financial projections. So, how do you actually start customizing these labels and purposes in your Relay account? It's surprisingly straightforward. Once you're logged into your Relay dashboard, navigate to the Accounts section. Here, you'll see a list of your different Relay accounts, whether they're checking accounts, savings accounts, or sub-accounts. Click on the specific account you want to customize. Within the account details, you'll typically find options related to transaction management or settings. Look for features like edit labels, customize categories, or add purposes. The exact terminology might vary slightly depending on updates to the Relay interface, but the underlying principle remains the same. This is where the magic happens. Relay allows you to create custom labels that are relevant to your specific business needs. For example, instead of a generic supplies category, you could create more specific labels like office supplies, marketing materials, or software subscriptions. This level of granularity provides a much clearer picture of where your money is actually going. Similarly, you can define purposes for your accounts and transactions. For instance, you might have a savings account dedicated to future equipment purchases or a sub-account specifically for Client Project A. By assigning these purposes, you can easily track progress towards your financial goals and ensure that funds are being used as intended. Let's delve into some practical examples to illustrate the power of this customization. Imagine you're a freelance web designer. You could create the following labels for your expenses. Software, Adobe Creative Cloud, Figma subscription, Webflow hosting. Marketing, Facebook ads, website maintenance, business cards. Client projects, Project Alpha expenses, Project Beta expenses, allowing you to track costs associated with each individual client. Professional development, online courses, industry conferences. And for your income, you might use labels like Client payments, payment from Alpha Corp, payment from Beta Industries. Referrals, referral bonus, partner X. By using these specific labels, you can instantly see how much you're spending on each aspect of your business and how much revenue each client is generating. This information is invaluable for pricing your services, managing your budget, and identifying your most profitable clients. Similarly, consider how you could utilize the Purposes feature. You might have savings account, down payment on new office space. Subaccount, Q3 marketing budget. Checking account, operating expenses. Assigning these purposes helps you keep your funds segregated and ensures that you're not accidentally dipping into savings meant for a specific goal. The key to effective customization is to think about your business structure and your specific financial tracking needs. What categories are most important for you to monitor? What are your key financial goals? Tailor your labels and purposes to reflect these priorities. Don't be afraid to start simple and iterate over time. You might begin with a few broad categories and then refine them as you gain more experience and identify areas where more detail would be beneficial. Relay's flexibility allows you to adjust your labels and purposes as your business evolves. Furthermore, consistency is crucial. Once you've established your labeling system, make sure you consistently apply it to all your transactions. This will ensure the accuracy and usefulness of your financial data. You might even consider creating a simple internal guide or checklist to ensure everyone on your team, if applicable, follows the same labeling conventions. Take advantage of any filtering and reporting features within Relay that integrate with your custom labels and purposes. These tools can help you generate insightful reports that break down your income and expenses by category or purpose, providing a clear overview of your financial performance. Think about the long-term benefits. Investing a little time upfront to customize your Relay account will save you countless hours down the road. It will empower you to make more informed financial decisions, streamline your accounting processes, and gain a deeper understanding of your business's financial health. This level of organization not only benefits your day-to-day operations but also makes things significantly easier when working with an accountant or preparing your taxes. Imagine handing over neatly categorized financial records. Your accountant will thank you. So, take a moment to consider how you can leverage Relay's customization features to bring more clarity and control to your business finances. It's a small step that can lead to significant improvements in your financial management and overall business success. Don't let your financial data remain a mystery. Unlock its potential by mastering the art of labels and purposes. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.